How's it going, guys? I'll be doing an unboxing today of this Jada Toys Fast and Furious Toretto house. Super excited when I was able to purchase this from Target. I actually went to 2 different Targets and they were all sold out. I was able to visit a third one here in Orange County and they had about 4 left. I did pick up 2, but this is one of those items where any die-hard Fast and Furious fan has to get. I mean, it's Toretto's house, the iconic house in every single movie. I believe there's like 10 now, and every time there's the Toretto house, everyone just goes crazy. This device, this model, 1999, I got from Target. I did get a second one. I'll be giving this away as a gift. Go ahead and like and subscribe to my video and I'll be able to raffle this one out to one lucky winner. But today, definitely wanted to do unboxing. Super excited once again, and let's get to it. All right. So this is how the house looks like. They have a little design in the background. Pretty neat. Attention to details. There are a few pieces here attached to this box. Pretty neat. I heard a lot of people been going to this Toretto house, the actual house in LA. The owners aren't too happy about that. I heard people are getting kicked out, but now you can have your own collector's item at home, so you don't have to keep visiting the house. There's a little garage here. So cool. Okay, let's see what we have here. So this is the actual driveway. This part isn't actual driveway here. So it does come with a driveway for the garage. It sits like that. And then you have the street, the pavement, and then you have this additional piece here. I did not even read the instructions, and I'm just putting it together like Lego. Hopefully I get this right. Right. Not too hard, not too bad. All right, so we have the house put together. All right. Garage open here. And then these are the 2 vehicles that comes with the set. I did see other ones. I wanted the green GTR, but they didn't have it. Looks like those additional cars are hard to get as well. So if you were to get it, what car would you like to see in the driveway? I wanted the green GTR, they didn't have it. The Supra is one of my favorites, so I'm glad that it actually came with at least the Supra car. So that's the little device here, little car right here. Pretty cool. So I'll leave that in the front street here. And then you have Toretto's vehicle. Like the small, but it's very detailed. Not too bad. That right there. This one you can put it in the garage. Just like that. You put it in your cabinet, your storage case for all your collector items. But this will be definitely going to my collector's box because it's just so iconic. And I'm a super fan of Fast and Furious, so this was a must-have for me when it came out. Hopefully they'll release more, but if not, they are readily available online. You just have to pay a little bit more, but I would say try to get it for $19.99, not anything more. Save the extra bucks for the additional cars you can get for the driveway. Oh, and I almost forgot, it's pretty cool as well. It comes with a table, some chairs, and a barbecue grill. So you can put this in the backyard. Put that little grill. Put the chairs where they do the prayers. Awesome, awesome. Alright, there you have it. There you go. That is the Jada Toretto House Fast and Furious model. What do you guys think? Just leave a comment down below. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Take care.